Market reaction today was bullish, guys. I know the market was down today, but it's bullish. I'll tell you why. I know Tesla missed earnings after the bell, and it's down 16 points or something. But overall, this is bullish response. I'm going to start with the SPYs here, and you know we're always looking at volume to the left. And looking at this volume bar here, why we say it's bullish is you're going up against 110 million, and we tried to roll over today. We rejected it and recouped half of it back on lighter volume, 80 million shares, right? So this wants to go higher price. It says it wants to bounce. We're still within the range of a week ago Friday here, right? Which means we could go down and retest this, like we've said. It's very possible. But this is bullish action that says we would probably want to go back, retest the highs, and maybe go higher. Same thing in the QQQs. The volume bar we're going up against is a couple days ago on the 17th, 71.9, let's call it 72 million. We went down and spiked into that on lighter volume. There's just not enough volume to push it down. We rejected and bounced back higher on 61 million, closed above the area from a couple days ago. So this is bullish action, and we want higher price. You look at a couple stocks. Apple, it's bullish, hanging in there, right? And by the way, when I click through charts real quick, I'm not going to get in detail on any of them right here. I can do that in the future if you want me to. But I'm looking at these volume bars down here. When I say there's lower volume, you can see the high volume spike here, buying volume here. There's buying volume, you know. So when I say lower volume, in this trend line, I'll remind you, is the 20-day trend line. The reason why we use 20 days is there's an average of 20 trading days in a month. That's why that's significant for us. So Apple hanging in there. AMD, it's fine. It's lighter volume and still above the breakout. Wants the 294 or 297 area. I don't remember what the projected price move was off the top of my head. Amazon hanging out, waiting on earnings. Lighter volume. Meta, same thing, hanging out, waiting on earnings. Google at the top of the range, hanging out, waiting on earnings, all in lighter volume. The only one that had more volume was Nvidia today, and even it rejected lower price and just is kind of just hanging out. So this is already confirmed, by the way. Confirmed price target here to 224. We don't know when it gets there, but it will over time. But if you go back and look at the SPYs at SPY and Qs on a macro basis, the S&P 500 and the QQQs want higher price. So despite the downdraft today, we want higher. I know Tesla missed. Maybe we start out lower tomorrow. I don't know what tomorrow holds or the day after that. There's still always the possibility of an October surprise. But this is bullish action today. So hope that helps. Have a good evening.